Hi, Deadlock's here again, and CoxysPicks has started making these 3D printed handcuff covers for TCH 840. There will also be TCH 850s, and they also work on the old higher variations of these handcuffs. They feel good, they're strong, they fit perfect, and they come in several colours: neon green, glow in the dark, and pink. If you notice, mine isn't one of those colours. And that is because it is possible to arrange another colour. They cost £10 on eBay. The link to his eBay will be in the description and in the first comment. They cost £10 plus postage and packaging, and these are very nice.